In the fast-moving automotive sector, efficiency isn't just a goal, it's a strategic differentiator. From intricate manufacturing lines to sprawling global supply networks, automotive companies demand technology that delivers real-time insights, seamless collaboration, and resilience against disruption. At the core of this transformation is SAP, the ERP backbone integrating essential modules like finance, procurement, production planning, quality control, and materials management. Acting as the operational powerhouse, it powers everything from cost optimization to supply chain orchestration. As the industry grapples with pressure to cut costs, accelerate timelines, and boost agility while navigating sustainability mandates and a shift to new mobility models, SAP provides the integrated, intelligent infrastructure necessary to stay ahead. 1. SAP S/4HANA, the digital core. SAP S/4HANA isn't just an ERP, it's the nerve center of modern automotive organizations, unifying procure-to-pay, order-to-cash, plan-to-product, financials, manufacturing, quality, and more running in real time on the HANA in-memory platform. This consolidation delivers lightning-fast processing, simplifies business landscapes, and boosts visibility right across the value chain from procurement to compliance, helping manufacturers respond rapidly to change. 2. Real-time in-memory foundation. Built on SAP HANA, SAP S/4HANA processes massive streams of transactional and analytical data instantly, with no latency between systems. That means procurement orders, production schedules, delivery tracking, and financial reporting all exist in a synchronized single source of truth for faster decision-making. 3. End-to-end supply chain integration. From procurement to delivery, S/4HANA integrates key areas: materials management, manufacturing, PP, warehouse, EWM, and transportation, TM. This unified platform enables seamless workflows, smarter supplier collaboration, and minimized silos across operations. 4. Streamlining core logistics and production. Production planning and control, PP, helps manufacturers optimize capacity, schedules, and labor to keep production running like clockwork. Materials management, ensures precise control over procurement, inventory, and valuation, driving cost efficiency and reducing delays. Quality management, QM, integrates QC processes within production to prevent defects and provide traceability, critical in avoiding costly recalls and maintaining brand trust. 5. Seamless sales, distribution, and customer service. Sales and distribution, SD, handles everything from vehicle order intake and pricing to billing and delivery, making sure customer demand is met efficiently. Customer service, CS, and warranty management support after-sales activity, from repair orders and claims to customer satisfaction, helping automakers build loyalty and streamline service operations. 6. Financial control and strategic insights. Financial accounting, FI, and controlling, CO, modules offer real-time visibility into costs, budgets, and financial performance, empowering smarter decision-making and enhancing financial transparency. Meanwhile, BI or BW, business intelligence or warehouse, brings together data from across ERP to deliver actionable dashboards and analytics, fueling better operations and strategic planning. 7. Supporting people, projects, and innovations. Human capital management, HCM, or success factors helps manage workforce planning, payroll, and development, ensuring you have the right talent aligned with operational goals. Product lifecycle management, PLM, centralized design, specs, and engineering change processes, driving quicker innovation cycles and ensuring compliance in product development. 8. Demand-driven planning and inventory optimization. Advanced capabilities like Live, MRP, and AI-driven forecasting deliver multi-daily material planning, simulation, and risks analysis, making it possible to shift from forecast-based to demand-driven replenishment. The results: stockouts and overstock reduce significantly, inventory days drop, and procurement costs fall. 9. Warehouse and Logistics Intelligence. Through SAP, Extended Warehouse Management, EWM, and Transportation Management, TM, automotive companies benefit from optimized warehousing, like slotting, cross-docking, and kitting, real-time inventory visibility, and optimized shipping routes. This improves accuracy, speed, and lowers logistics cost. Logistics efficiency is another key area SAP enhances. Solutions like SAP Extended Warehouse Management, EWM optimize storage, picking, and fulfillment by reducing handling steps, improving accuracy, and supporting just-in-time and just-in-sequence deliveries. For automotive aftermarket operations, Extended Service Parts Planning (ESPP) integrated with S/4HANA and SAP Analytics Cloud enables better inventory control, real-time order tracking, and adaptive distribution planning. And 10. Manufacturing acceleration and just-in-sequence execution. By supporting modular assembly and advanced production planning, S/4HANA enables just-in-sequence manufacturing, flexible production lines, and smart scheduling. Automotive brands achieve faster time to market for new models and reduce end-to-end production cycle times. Conclusion. For automotive companies wrestling with global complexity, modular production, supply risk, and sustainability imperatives, SAP S/4HANA delivers a modern digital core blending real-time analytics, integrated operations, AI-enabled automation, and streamlined supply chains.